Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an Adobe Acrobat document to PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you can open Adobe Acrobat and simply load any document that you created, or you can also create a new on runtime by clicking on create at the top. You can select any single file, multiple files, or any other file you want. So once you have that document over here, you're going to click on convert over here at the top. Once you do so, there are numerous options that you can convert to. So you'll be able to see an option that says convert to PDF, and then you're going to navigate to the folder where you wish to save the converted document. For example, I'm going to go with my downloads and then click on open. And by doing so, you'll be able to see that that document has now been converted into PDF. And apart from that, there are numerous other options that you can convert that document into. You can also convert any existing PDF into Adobe Express, Microsoft Word, Excel, image format, and many other formats as well. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.